This is Tajammul Adil. Everybody nowadays has a smartphone and they love to shoot videos on them. Are you tired of shaky videos? Gimbals can help you stabilize your videos and you can create smooth footages with your smartphone. When you hold iStudy Mobile Plus, you won't believe it's just a $79 gimbal. The plastic construction feels as durable as high-end gimbals and the rubberized grip is a nice touch. Let's do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. We found USB-C and USB-A cable option on the left side of the Mobile Plus. The back of the gimbal has a button that can be pressed once to center the smartphone. Anyone should be able to get comfortable with the iStudy Mobile Plus control scheme in no time. Huheim's iStudy Mobile Plus offers a 3-axis gimbal stabilization at a very affordable price. In addition, the motors are very quiet, so my iPhone's microphone barely picked up any noise. A mid-range smartphone gimbal is what the iStudy Mobile Plus is aimed at. Although its buying price is around $79, it isn't quite as expensive as the premium product like DJI Osmo Mobile 4. Huheim aims to strike a balance between price and performance at this price point. With 3-axis stabilization, this device is still quite impressive. The iStudy Mobile Plus smartphone holder is designed to hold the smartphone tightly and to fit it perfectly in the gimbal vertically for a horizontal position after the gimbal is turned on. As soon as you press the record button for a few seconds, the gimbal will turn on. You will be able to see that it holds the smartphone smoothly. Once the smartphone holder is in the horizontal position, place the smartphone on it once you have it in a vertical position. As soon as you press the record button for a few seconds, the gimbal will turn on. Hold the smartphone perfectly and finally switch to vertical mode for shorts, TikTok or Instagram videos. With iStudy Mobile Plus comes with a Huheim Joy application, so let's see how we can connect them and enjoy some cool features. Huheim Joy is already installed and the app link is in the video description. After starting the application, it will detect your Mobile Plus and pair it after allowing some settings, and then you will be able to see the camera mode. In camera mode, the first option is time lapse, which I will show you. Second, we have a video mode in which we can choose between video resolutions of 720p or 1080p as well as video frame rate setting depending on the camera on your smartphone. In addition to photo mode, we have zoom mode that can be accessed easily from the controls on the Mobile Plus gimbal. Next, we have the moments option where we have a few more features, and I will show you a little demonstration of what these effects look like. Check out Inception as a first place. In the dolly zoom option, you can see what this effect looks like. Let's examine the rotation affection option and see how it works. taking videos over long periods of time and condensing them into a few minutes or seconds is another cool feature of the smart time lapse. The next option is the panoramic video effect. Let's see how that turns out. Another cool effect is the clone me, which is picture mode, and it looks so interesting to me. There are different options on the left side of the camera settings. I won't describe them in detail, but I will show you the menu settings. Aside from face tracking and object tracking, there are plenty of cool shooting modes that I have already shown you. Getting familiar with the iStudy Mobile Plus control is pretty easy. We have 4 different modes as pan follow, pan and tilt follow, all lock, and POV all follow. There is a joystick in the center that controls the pan and tilt axis. Through this joystick, you can control the smartphone from top to bottom and left to right. We have a pan follow mode by default. When the pan axis left to right changes, the iStudy Mobile Plus will keep the tilt axis locked. The second time you press the button, you get the pan and tilt follow mode, which only locks the roll axis. In other words, the camera follows you as you follow, but keeps itself parallel to the ground at all times. Additionally, the all lock mode locks all 3 axes, so the gimbal will lock the camera's orientation at all times. Last but not least, there is a POV all follow mode. As you can see here, the gimbal keeps the camera orientation free when using all 3 axes. The gimbal took a few seconds to take its final position to begin shooting after pressing this button 3 times. Being a 3-axis gimbal, the iStudy Mobile Plus utilizes 3 axes with the each works to counteract any shake in those axes. The iPhone X is held by a gimbal, but after some rough uses, it didn't hold the smartphone smoothly, so it was time to adjust the fit by changing the size and seeing how accurately it held the phone. Even after adjusting and using Mobile Plus a little roughly, I am still having trouble holding the iPhone X smoothly. As I am using the iStudy Mobile Plus this time, I am using roughly to observe the gimbal's behavior. In my opinion, the stabilization is pretty good and it holds the smartphone very good, and let me show you some of its cool footages. I hope this video is helpful for those who want to learn about iStudy Mobile Plus and what kind of video shoots they can achieve. You can find the Huham Joy application link in the video description, and also you can find the buying link in the video description. If you are interested in 3-axis face tracking stabilizer, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.